Hello teachers, hello everydays. Today I want to tell all of you a story. And the name of the story is My Mother's Chair. My mother has a favorite chair. She got it from her mother. This chair is very old. Is this the only one of its kind because my grandfather made it? One day, my brother pushed me when we were running through the house. I started to slip and ran right into the chair. One of the legs came off. We were shocked. We would not speak. I called my dad at work. He came home and glued it together. He put the clamp on it to hold it in place while the glue dried. My mom came home. We hoped she wouldn't notice that she saw the clamp on the chair. We told her what had happened. She was very upset. Luckily, the chair was fixed. Even though that old chair is much stronger now, we are not allowed to run in the house anymore. Thank you very much.